In this video, we will see how you can connect to IBM MobileFirst from a Windows C# application for tablets and desktops. First, you create a new MobileFirst project in the studio, or you could even use CLI. Pick native APIs. And then pick the Windows 8 environment. Windows Phone 8 is the Silverlight SDK. Since tablets and desktops are RT SDK, there's a different set of DLLs that you will have to use to connect to MobileFirst. These are the files you will be importing into your Visual Studio C# tablet project. Let's go ahead and create a new Visual Studio project. So creating a Windows Store app. So let's add references to the DLLs that we just created in the MobileFirst Studio. Now let us add the Windows Client Properties file. Make sure you set the build action to the right option. Now we are ready to start connecting. Let's add a button. Let's define a click method where we will write the code. We'll call wclient.connect in the click method. This needs a listener for processing the callbacks. The listener will get called on success or on failure. Now let's just try to run this app. Looks like the server is not running, so we got a failure message. Let's go ahead and write some more code which will call an adapter in the backend. So let's go back to the MobileFirst Studio, create a HTTP JavaScript adapter. This JavaScript adapter gives you a template which essentially connects to an RSS feed. So it connects to rss.cnn.com. And you can connect this to whatever server you are trying to connect to. And then there are two procedures here. One to get stories based on the category, which is the interest. And then one is to get filtered stories. So let's deploy this adapter to the MobileFirst server. And then we'll add a new button to call the adapter. Let's call it invoke procedure, define a click method, and we'll call the get story procedure from the sample HTTP adapter. Do a little beautification, looks nice. This is how the XAML will look like. Now let's walk through the code. You need to first get the handle to the page so they can write to the page. The connect button calls wclient. Response listener is for handling the success or failures. The onSuccess handles the adapter return when in case it's a success. Here we'll just parse the return headlines, the JSON that comes back. The double tap will just clear the feed that just came in. Let's try to connect. And the connection was successful to the server. Let's invoke the procedure. Now this is what the feed came back from cnn.com. You can find the source code at GitHub, and you can find more information on developerworks at IBM.com. Thanks very much for watching the video.